Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Paras and you are watching Fun with Coding. We'll be covering HTML basics in today's video. So let's get started. So I'll be using Visual Studio Code in this. If you want to use Notepad or any other code editor, you can use. First of all, just create one new file, right? And save it with any path. Just make sure to make it as .html. So just give here the name like my first web .html. Make sure .html is compulsory. So let's start with the very first tag, which is html, and this html tag has closing and starting tag. It includes mainly head section, and another section we have is body. These both, all these three tags have their closing tag. Okay, so in the head section we can write is title, and let's say my app, and save this. Go to the path where you have saved this file, and then you can see here my app will be your title. And then inside this, let's use of heading tag, and just write my first web app. Okay, save it, go to the file, reload this, and this is your first web app. Okay, so let's start with the very first tag, which is heading tag. It has h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, and h6. It has all the 6 tags in one. So let me show you the difference. h1, my first heading. h2, my h2 heading. Let's just make it as my h1 heading. Okay, and h3, my h3 heading. h4, my h4 heading. h5, my h5 heading, and h6, my h6 heading. Save it, go to the app, and this is the difference. h1 is the biggest heading and h6 is the last one. So let's talk about the next tag, which we have is image tag. Just press enter, write img. src and alt is the attribute of the tag. The source, what you can do is go to the Google, search for HTML image, right click and copy image address, give the source here, and alt. If image is not loaded, then write it as image not loaded. This is the alt version. Like if somehow the source is incorrect, then we will get this image not loaded. Just check, reload it, and thus here we have the image. So we have the different attributes as well. Like if we want to adjust the height, then just write it as 100 px, and we have width as well, write it as 100 px as well. Then refresh it, you will get the image with your choice of the size. So next tag what we have is the p tag. Okay, p tag is basically known as paragraph tag. So p, here you can type anything you want, it will come as it is. Like this is my first web app and I am creating it with HTML. Save it, refresh it, you can have your paragraph. Okay, let's talk about the next tag, which is HR. So if you want to create a horizontal line, you can use HR tag, and please make sure that it is self-closing tag. Self-closing tags are like, they do not have this whole sentence. It is like this opening tag and then it has a slash as a closing tag. Then refresh it, you will get horizontal tag. So let's talk about the next tag, which we have is a bold tag. Like if you want to create this as a bold tag, then what you have to do is just mention bold and save it. You can write, see, this text is getting bold, and if you want to make it as italic, then just write it as like this and refresh it. You can see my first web app, it is now italics as well as bold. So okay, let's just sum up what we have learned in the today's session. I just remove it. You can just remove all, just create one fresh, make it as head, and we have title my web app. Okay, and next what we have is a body tag. In this, let's just have one heading, my web app. Okay, and then what we can have is like image tag, image src is equal to, okay, let's just copy one image, just say copy image address, give it like here, make it as height of 20 px, width of 200 px, save it, then just see what we have now is my web app and HTML file. Okay, just give HR here, my web app in this image. You can add paragraph as well, just write it like P, and to subscribe my channel for more videos and make sure to like it. Thanks for watching. Just save it, open your source, refresh it, and you can have your paragraph tag. Thank you all. Thank you guys.